Unit 7, A Visit to the Lab. July 12th.
Thank you for coming all the way to visit my laboratory, Mr. Greggs.
Please, call me Malcolm. I'm interested to see what you're working on in here.
Well, let me show you around. All this equipment is being used for research into drought-resistant crops.
What sort of research are you doing?
We're looking into two principal areas. The first relates to the genetic basis for drought resistance. We're trying to identify exactly which genes are involved in conferring drought resistance in crops.
Is the idea to put these genes in other crops? I don't know much about genetic engineering.
That's a decision for the future. Right now, we just need to increase our knowledge of which genes are responsible for drought resistance. At the moment, all we do is use genetic markers in order to see which genes are transferred from one generation to the next.
I see. What's the other area of research you mentioned?
It's called participatory plant breeding. This allows local farmers to participate in a plant breeding program. We breed some hardier varieties of crops in the lab, but allow the farmers to use them on their own land.
So they get a lot more freedom and can make their own decisions about which crops to use?
That's right. In addition, because they know their weather and soil conditions, they are better qualified to observe the results over time than we are.
How are things progressing?
Slowly, to be honest. We need more funding.